and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do a QVS quick video Sunday showing you guys how to get the perfect eye look for your eye shape. So I decided to create an eye that looks a lot larger in size, as well as an eye that's a little sexier and a little smokier. Make sure you guys turn on my post notifications so you can be a part of my bear family. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and keep on watching as I show you guys how to pick the perfect look for your eyes.
You are now rocking with
Brittany, bitch.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and begin. The first step to this is going to be taking a Morphe brush. And the same bronzer that I used to bronze up my cheekbones today, I'm going to be putting my brush into and grabbing a little bit of product to apply on my eyelid. So as you guys can see, I'm sweeping back and forth in windshield wiper movements. I'm really just blending in that color to give my eye a little bit more dimension. So I'm going to take the same product and repeat the same step onto the other side. Alright guys, so once we went ahead and probably did the easiest step to this look by applying just a little bit of shadow to give us some dimension, it is now time to apply a black eyeliner. So for this, I'm taking my black eyeliner pen from L'Oreal in the shade Black Noir, and I'm going to be using this to create a nice, beautiful wing. So cooling my skin just a little bit, I'm going to start by applying my wing, dragging it downward. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same step onto the other side. Alright guys, so it is now time to really enhance our eye size. So for this, I decided to show you one side with my eye appearing a lot larger, and the other side the way I normally would do it to make my eyes just look nice, sexy, and smoldery. So hopefully you guys can see the difference of how this trick really does make a huge difference when making your eyes appear a lot larger. So I'm going to be taking my NYX pencil, and this is in the shade Seashell, which is a beautiful, I want to say like light pinkish white, as you guys can see. And I'm going to be applying this into my waterline. And this is really just going to make my eyes look a lot bigger. So holding down my waterline, I'm going to be applying this product into it and just making sure I coat it nice and properly. You can see already that my eye looks a lot brighter and a lot bigger. So picking up my black eyeliner, I am now going to be applying this into the waterline on the other side of my eye. Alright guys, so now that I applied the black eyeliner on one side and the white eyeliner on the other side, it is so crazy what a difference white eyeliner does. It actually makes your eyes appear so much bigger, and the black eyeliner kind of like makes it look a lot more sexier and pulled back. So we're going to go ahead and finish this look to show you guys the difference in both eye methods. Alright guys, so to finish off this look, I'm going to be taking a small little blending brush, and this is from Elsie, the E5 brush, and applying it into a darker shaded eyeshadow. I'm going to begin by smoking this out on both eyes to kind of finish off the look. So starting with the white side, I am smoking underneath my waterline. So just lightly applying the product and blending it underneath my waterline. We are using the shadow to really just finish off the whole look and make everything look complete. I'm then going to go ahead and do the same method onto the other eye. Okay, so the next step is going to be taking my mascara. This is Urban Decay Perversion mascara, and I'm going to be applying this to my actual lashes and onto the other side. Alright guys, so taking my eyelash and applying some duo glue to the band, we are then going to apply them onto our eyes. Time for the next eyelash. Okay, so here is the final product. Obviously, we made one of our eyes appear a lot larger by using the white eyeliner and just smoking out that black eyeshadow underneath the eye. And for the other eye, we went for a more smoky, sexy, smoldery look, and it definitely actually made my eye look a lot smaller and a lot more pulled back. I'm very curious to hear in the comments below which eye you guys actually like better and which one you're gonna try out in your next makeup routine. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I hope all all of you guys learned some fun tricks and tips on the different eye shapes that you can do to make your eyes appear a lot larger or a lot sexier and smoldery. So if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye guys!